Welcome to Automate and Learn with Yogesh, where today we will learn about Amazon S3 Express One Zone. Okay, so let's deep dive into it. So, what is Express One Zone? It's a high performance S3 storage class. It's designed for ultra fast access at single digit millisecond latency, and it's a very high request throughput. So, what it does is it is the fastest S3 storage class, but with the trade offs. So, what are the trade offs? What are the features we will go over here? uh, it's having ultra low latency, that is single digit milliseconds access time, designed for real time workloads, faster than regular S3 standard. And where it's used in machine learning training, real time analytics, streaming workloads. A con which is over here is single availability zone, like it's only having one availability, easy. Data is stored in only one AZ. So whenever that AZ goes down, your data is not is having very in risk zone, so not replicated across multiple availability zones. So that means it's having lower availability risk if availability zone fails, but it has lower latency, that is the plus point for us. AWS stores data in a single easy directory bucket for its highest performance. Pricing wise, its storage is more expensive than S3, but request costs are very lower. So pricing recently reduced significantly, up to 85% for GET request. So this thing you must take into account. Then you have to pay for like storage per GB per month, request, put or get whatever is there for data transfer. So here is the comparison chart, price positioning versus other classes, right? So for standard, its cost level is medium, purpose is for general use. For express one zone, cost is very high, but its performance is very high. High performance, for it's used for very high performance. So it is not used for cost saving, but it is used for performance optimization. Trade offs, express one zone is the fastest. It is having lower availability zones since it's already using single AZ. Durability, it's high, but not for multi AZ. Cost, it's high, but its use case, it's for performance critical applications where low latency is very required. So some we have some industrial real cases where we can use it. It's machine learning pipelines, real time dashboards, high frequency trading data, temporary staging layer in data pipelines. So these are the real purpose examples where the storage class can be used. Avoid using when it's critical production data where no backup is taken. Since it's using single AZ, it's risk to put critical production data in that storage class. Where compliance archival is required, you should not use it. Where multiple high AZ availability systems are there, you should not use it. Then architecture pattern. Best practice is to use S3 bucket one zone along with move data to S3 standard, that is fast plus save plus cost optimized. Okay. Simple memory trick to keep in mind. Standard is for balanced. Glacier type storage is very cheap, and Express one is faster but is slightly risky because of its single availability zone. Best it integrates with which applications for high performance compute we can select with Amazon EC2, AWS Lambda, because compute close to storage, same availability zone. What we get millisecond latency, massive parallel reads and writes. Use case, it's real time APIs, data pre-processing pipelines. Then for machine learning workloads, we can use Amazon SageMaker. Why? Because it's having fast data set loading, speeds up training and interference inference. Its use case is for training on large data sets and also used for feature engineering. Then we have analytics and big data, where we can use it with integrate it with Amazon EMR as well as Amazon AWS Glue. Why we can use it? Because it's having high throughput for Spark jobs, faster for ETL processing. Use case, it's for batch plus near time real time pipelines. Okay. Then we can use it with data warehousing querying, where Amazon Athena is used. It's basically faster query performance on hot data sets. Then for container workloads, we can use integrate with Amazon EKS, Amazon ECS, microservices needing ultra fast shared storage. One of the key consideration you can keep in mind that you should keep compute in same availability zone as same as express one zone, because if you don't do so, latency will increase and also cost will increase. So you must keep all the compute in same availability zone where Amazon S3 Express zone is available. Okay, it's not ideal with some of the services mentioned over here. Then we have real data engineering pattern where we can use Kafka streaming. Then it goes with S3 Express one zone fast ingestion and processing, EMR, Glue and Spark processing, then S3 standard glacial long term storage. So such pattern can be used in data engineering along with S3 Express one zone. Simple ways to remember: when the compute is heavy plus real time, Express one zone can be used. When the storage is heavy plus long term storage is required, we can use standard plus glacier. So that's all for today. If you like my video, stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thank you.